Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make fertilizer early on in the game. What you need is a compost bin, as it says right there in green letters. You can also buy this engram. Let me show you at level 15. It is going to be right next to the high shirt, right? And then you make it, and once you do that, what you need is thatch and poop. Thatch, I don't remember how much it is, but just make sure you put 400 in it. And then my recommendation is to have medium-sized poop or large-sized poop because they last longer. That's why. So what we want to do with this is just put it inside here, transfer it, and once that happens, what you're gonna do is wait because if I'm not mistaken, they take like approximately 50 minutes, 50, to make, and you need to be patient. So I recommend to build like 3 of this. This is just for beginners. Fertilizers are really good to make your crops grow, your plants grow as well, and that's about it. Once you do that, you pretty much wait until the fertilizer is done. I'll show you how that looks like, okay? And it's nighttime, and I'm scared now. Okay. Awesome. So as you guys can see, 6 out of 8. So let's test it out. Oh, here's a fertilizer now, which I think is pretty cool. Let me put it. Let me put it on my image. That's amazing. So here's the thing. It took 50 thatch and 3 poop to make 1 fertilizer. Let me see about the other one actually. Oh, there you go. Same thing. So basically 3 poop. Basically 3 poop and 50 thatch, and you'll get your fertilizer early on. And you can even actually do this early, like since they are really easy to make. Like you guys, level 15, you could just build it, and as soon as you have thatch, 50 thatch and 3 poop, put it in it, because it does take a while. But that's pretty much how you do it in the early game. I hope you like this tutorial, and I hope you stay safe. And I hope with this tutorial you survive another day in Ark. I'll see you on the next video. Stay another day in Ark, my Arcanians.